And Kerala's Sepak Takraw women team is elated to participate in the first ever Khelo India Beach Games. Visiting Diu and participating in beach games is a beautiful experience for these young girls. In an exclusive interview with DD India's Suchitra, these girls talked about their expectations from the beach games and their future plans.
Khelo India Beach Games in Diu, and we have with us Kerala's Sepak Takraw women team. So let's speak to them. So how is your experience of being in Diu and participating in Khelo India Beach Games?
Actually, ma'am, this was our first Khelo India Beach Games, and we are proud to participate in this game. And it was very good experience because it's very different in a beach. Okay, so we played 2 matches. Unfortunately, we lost, but next match we will win. I think we can do so.
Sepak Takraw is not a really popular game. Not many people know about it. So how did you come into this game, and what is the best part about this game that you like?
Kerala was invented Sepak Takraw in 23 years ago, and now it's that youth is upcoming players are playing better than seniors. So it will be a great opportunity to do this game because it have a central government and extra Khelo India. Narendra Modi is also supporting this game.
And Khelo India umbrella is getting wider day by day. Now Khelo India Beach Games is also added to the Khelo India Games. So how do you like this idea of hosting beach games every year?
It's very good idea. Like, it's promoting more players into this, and yeah, it's very good for the youth. They can get more exposure, which is very good for their future, and also their future will be secured by these upcoming projects.
What is your message for the young girls who want to play Sepak Takraw one day?
Sepak Takraw is actually a mixture of sports. It will not only it will empower the women. So we know in India many women are not always sitting in home and be like a wifey jobs now. So all of you want to become athletes, and we want to make it, like we know our motto is Fit India. So first we want to promote the women's also. Then it will grow like upgrow. That's it.
So Kerala's women Sepak Takraw team, they are really excited to participate in first ever Khelo India Beach Games, and these games have provided them a perfect platform to showcase their talent. With camera person Ajit, this is Suchitra reporting for DD India from Diu.
And we have Suchitra Bharadwaj joining us from Diu. Well, Suchitra, we saw Kerala women Sepak Takraw team express excitement. Now day 3 today. How are the games going? What all is planned for today?
Good morning, Lipakshi. Right now we are at Diu's beautiful Ghogla beach. This is one of the few blue flags beaches of India. Blue flag certification is given after certain requirements are met, be it cleanliness, safety measurements, and right now the open water swimming 10-kilometer race is on. You can see behind me. So on the Ghogla beach, open water swimming is a new thing for spectators to watch, and also beach games are now going to be a regular fixture in the Khelo India scheme. So we just hope that new games will be an addition to the Khelo India Beach Games. But right now you can see behind me that open water swimming 10-kilometer race is on, and some other matches, beach soccer, beach kabaddi, those matches are also on. And in beach soccer, the quarterfinal matches are going on, and due to the rankings and the points that the teams are getting, a few teams are making to the semi-final stage. And this is like the coastal area, so the mornings and the evenings are pleasant, and the afternoons are really sunny. The temperature is quite high. So keeping in mind the players' safety and their fitness, the schedule is organized in such a manner that some events are held in the morning in the pleasant hours and some in the evening. So right now the open water swimming and some of the soccer and beach kabaddi matches are on right now.
All right, Suchitra. Also, I'm sure a few action-packed days ahead. What kind of events and competition can we look forward to, and how do these games help nurture talent at the grassroots level?
Yes, Lipakshi, Khelo India scheme was started to nurture talent at the grassroots level, and we are seeing that the Khelo India umbrella is getting wider day by day. It started with Khelo India Youth Games, then there was university games, para games, and now the sports minister, he also talked about that there will be new additions to this umbrella. They are also planning to start tribal games, Khelo India tribal games and Northeast games. So it's really important to nurture the talent at the grassroots level. And the beach games, they will provide a perfect platform to the talented players in India who want to make a career out of the water sports. Because playing football, playing kabaddi is different, but when you play the same sports on sand, the surface is different and the feel is different, you know. The beach volleyball
Right.
and beach kabaddi, in fact, sepak takraw and pencak silat. Yesterday the crowd was really excited. There was a good crowd support. So we can see there is an audience available for beach games in India. What we all need is a fixture, a fix thing like these beach games, and definitely we'll get some new players who will participate in the beach games first on the national level, and one day they will go on to represent India at the international level. Lipakshi.
All right, I'm sure excitement at the highest there. Thank you so much, Suchitra, for all those details.